chicken. They're like my general. Where'd you get these wings from, huh? Anyways, I gotta puke, guys. My bad, guys. Touche. Alright. Let's see. Boop. Oh, I look 13? Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way I look like my cousin. Like, bro, I get it. I'm 6'4", but like, seriously, guys. Stop. Like, bro, I am not 13. I am about to be 9. Alright, emoji ranking now. 3rd place. Ooh. Are you serious right now, bruh? I like that. Okay, when's it actually gonna get good? You know, I know the last one's gonna be super good. I was forced to, man. I was forced to.